viewers that I have acquired. I have to actually keep it kind of professional now. You guys have forced me to do so. But we're back analyzing, interpreting, seeing what the hell is going on, because I'm going to be real with you, man. What's this TV sign doing that for? Quit that. Apple TV, get out of here. But listen, Bitcoin, it actually looked like it was in a break. The resistance, 64,800, 64,900. Imagine it made that higher high. It's faking everyone out, man. I smell it. It's not going up yet. It's not time. It is not time. A 0.50 basis point cut. It happened in 2007. I think it was 2001 as well. Let's check. Last time we got 0.5 basis point rate cut for Bitcoin. Let's see this. Because it wasn't looking good, man, when this happened. It was not looking good. I'm actually going to show you some decent information, which I have seen, and you guys might want to also see. I'm going to show you the graphs. So if we switch over to this account here, hopefully Arsenal lose, by the way. Just standard, you get me? If we go into my history, and we're going to look at this guy here. This guy's a G, man. I don't know if you lot can hear this, though. Running an ad on me, bruv. Right, let's get these graphs on. Firstly, he's talking about how they're all distracting us, and secondly, he's talking about taking profits. He's going to start taking profits on gold, because gold is flying. Look at that. Gold is... What is this TV doing? Distracting the hell out of me. Hide that. Shh. Delete it, man. Get out. Wasting everyone's time with that jumpy. Look, he's expecting a blow off top for the S&P as well. And he's saying people are spreading misinformation. Because although it looks bullish on the surface, it's not actually bullish. Because the printer and quantitative easing isn't actually going to happen until like 2026, man. You know, in COVID, when we got that COVID crash, because everyone's talking about China stimulating. Look at this, their housing market crashed. It sucks. All their stocks are sucking. And nobody wants, like, China's effed, bro. People are saying, oh, there's loads of stimulus coming back into crypto. What if people don't buy? Like, then it's literally useless. Literally useless. And it might not even be a crazy blow off top. It might only be 70, 80k, 90k. People are thinking, oh, it's going to go crazy. We're in a recession, man. We're probably in one. When they call it, it's too late. So you need to be very wary about what's going on right now. It's too risky. And the memes I'm going for are high risk, man. I'm not going to lie. I'm only looking at one meme. Two. That are worth the returns. That are worth the investment. That are worth the risk. And I'm also willing to lose the money. It's a nasty market we're living in, because they're not going to quantitative ease unless everything's broken. They were trying to break everything, and they're low-key recovering it. There needs to be a black swan event. I hope there is one, If there is one, you'll get fire sale prices. Right, back to the analysis, man. We got sidetracked. Let's look at gold, like he was mentioning. It is up. Look at that, man. That's crazy. That is beautiful. Like, genuinely, that is beautiful. Let's look at the S&P. Bitcoin usually follows gold as well. The S&P is actually coming down a little bit as well, which is nice. It's too high, man. We need a major correction. Everything is high. That's also the risk. That's the danger. You don't know if it's going to carry on going higher. How do you know? How does anybody know if it's going to go higher or not? It's a proper risk, a proper danger. You're buying at all-time highs, hoping it goes up. That's why you need to dollar cost average. Worst case, even then, it might be better to just sit back and watch from the sidelines up until you get a deal, up until you get some fear. As if we're looking at some of the meme coins that are actually going to explode, starting with Brett. This isn't my favorite bet, by the way. I sold all my Brett. It is going to fly. It's going to be like the Shiba Inu. This or one other. It's a fight. It's a dog fight between this Brett. I think I bought a little bit down here. That was insane when I bought that. It's gonna turn down anyway. It looks like it still wants to correct. Oh Mikami, the multiples on this thing. Holy dog. It's at a 30 million market cap. This is the play. The upside potential versus the downside. Ryoshi might be behind it. It's verified. It's see-through. It's transparent. The website's insane. Holy, I don't even want to look at nothing else. I look at his brother real quick, Ryujin. What is that zoom, man? Thought they fixed it. Get me off that chart, man. Don't want to look at that. But 10 million market cap, that's gone back down. Strong coin. $5.72. Why is this thing still thingying? Why is it still high? Redo. This is my second best play after Brett and Omikami. Redo's my second best shot. This is on the Ton blockchain. If that guy gets released, bull market happens. Holy! Look at the numbers every other blockchain is pulling. 37 million market cap. Are you joking? Are you joking? That is crazy. I only want to buy at good deals. Or you know when people say, oh, anything below 100 million market cap? No. You want this from around 20 million, 15 million, maximum 40. I'd aim for 30. I'd aim for 30 if it comes down. I don't even know if it will. But if it does, you got to snatch that. Maybe 35. Because even in the short term, it'll flip a little bit. You know, when you look at the bands, it'll flip and you'll make a short-term profit. But I don't think it's worth trying to get short-term profit on these, especially with the time we're coming on to October, Pumptober, Pump November, Pump December. It's getting to a stage where you don't really want to be risking it. Casper might still be coming down, you know. Chaos for 20 is launched. The hype is done. We might get a bit of accumulation before we head back up. I think they're the only ones I wanted to look at today. I think Ethereum's still dead. There's no point looking at that. Sui, we'll look at Twitter, man. Ryujin's also verified. 10 million market cap is verified. They're getting ready for something, man. PayPal just enabled Bitcoin and crypto for 30 million business accounts. That is mental. That is actually mental. 4 days until CZ Binance gets released. 4 days. He's out. 5 days till October. PayPal enables US businesses to buy, sell and hold crypto. Damn. It's getting big, you know. They're preparing everything. They're doing all the right things. Everyday Solana trains below Ethereum's market cap is a massive market inefficiency. Right, let's check the market cap difference between these two. On my favorite site, CoinGecko. So Solana is fifth at 70 billion, my bad, 70 billion. Ethereum is 310 billion. So he's saying Solana has to cross around $500-$600 if my math is mathing. Top 12 meme coins by daily trading volume. Market is wrong until Riff flips Dodge and Pepe flips Shib. And Brett flips PopCap. Brett's flipping Popcar. I don't care. Don't even try and tell me different. Brett's insane. The community's madness. So Popcar, I can't believe how well that's doing, by the way. Pepe, Pepe, Whiff, Rats, Bonk, Shib, Rats. That's a meme coin. Ugh. 2021, I became a millionaire at 21 years old while still living with my mum. I remember making more than the price of our house in one trade. That is mental. That's what crypto bull markets are like. Don't miss out this time. Omikami is going to do that for me, G. I believe. I genuinely believe. This is the play, bro. You know that one thing that you're looking for? This is it. 29.79. I might even buy some right now. Perfect price. What's it like on the 4 hourly? What the hell's it like on the 4 hourly? It might turn on the stochastic RSI. If that goes lower, man. You know 27 mil? Yeah, I might have to, man. I might have to, man. Genuinely. Nah, you can't miss out. End of the day, like, what are you gonna do losing £1,000? It's worth it for the upside that you're gonna get. Imagine, you could get a 10x, 100x. You could get 100x. That's 100x on £1,000. 100 grand, bro. The daily Ethereum chart is looking very bearish. Stochastic have crossed. There's been a slow drift higher after the move higher. Yeah, bro, that's turning down. What price is it even at? It's a dog price, innit? Yeah, people expecting 200 Ethereum is not looking good, bro. It is not looking good. Not at all. 9 million on MasterCard total transaction value. 14.8 trillion on Visa. Bitcoin 36.6 trillion. This is why everyone's looking at it. This is why PayPal's looking at it. That's crazy. I don't even know why. It's a meme coin. It goes down 70% after a bull market. I genuinely don't trust in Bitcoin. I'll be real. I'm here to make dough. You should be here too. Non-emotional. I don't care about Bitcoin. I don't care about real estate. You care about dough, man. That's all it should be. That's all it is. Nothing more, nothing less. You need cash. We are here 40 days until the US elections, man. Holy. Holy. That's when stuff starts to turn upwards. There's going to be major volatility around the area, though. Major volatility up and down. Kamala, Trump speeches. That might be the time, you know. That's why I'm holding off a little bit. Because I know prices increase in volatility around the elections. If we actually have a little look at this. Volatility around elections. I swear it increases in the month to elections. I swear it increases at the point of elections. I've seen a beautiful graphic. Does it have it on here? It's a beautiful graphic, man. Unfortunately, I can't show you guys because it's not going to be, is it? Oh, we know it goes up though. Look at that beautiful consolidation. What do they call it? Cup and handle. Although I don't believe in that technical analysis garbage, it does sound good, doesn't it? October is coming. Omikami, man. Omikami and Ryujin. Are you ready? Whiff is actually blasting off. Like, what is going on? 50th. 40%. $2.11. I saw it $1.50. It is blasting off. Look at that, man. It's ready to go. It's ready, man. And let's see what Laffy's saying. The main analysis is currently effective by heading to the areas below. The first area carried it twice, the third will not carry it. These 24 hours in which the update occurred revealed a lot of information to me. The most important thing is that we are still at the beginning of the decline, and we need more fear and terror in the market until those who call for the rise in peaks disappear. Why? Some people may forget about our exit from the peak. Thanks to God and the success of the analysis, there is no problem soon. God willing, the areas in this analysis will be filled with the candles and memory will be reactivated so that you can differentiate between the real content and the content of selling the illusion. There is a lot of illusion. Do not be fooled. Do not be fooled. 39k. 39k. Imagine. Imagine if that happens. That's crazy. Bitcoin quarter 4 returns. Whenever the September's positive, it hasn't finished yet. We're still on 25th. Don't be silly now. There could still be a dirty correction. But the gains are nice. They're beautiful. It's actually higher than all the previous months. And it started so nasty as well. Bitcoin whales have sold over 20k BTC in the past 24 hours, worth around 1.28 billion. If they're selling, you know something's up. You know I'm preparing something special for you. PS, to those spreading negativity, your hatred fuels the strength of the Kami army. We still appreciate you because without you there is no greatness. Some expected a tweet from Ryoji's account, but nothing comes easy. This was all part of the plan. It's a test of loyalty, separating those who endure from those who fall away. Don't get me gassed. FUD equals success. All great projects face hatred and FUD. If you want something to happen, make it happen yourself. If you don't want to do anything, that's fine too, but try not to about it. Do you believe? It's risky, I know. It's one of them things where it's one of them, man. You either do or you don't. It's a risk. You willing to take it for the upside? Who knows? China started its money printing. You have no idea how quickly things are about to take off. Liquidity is back. The crypto bull run is about to begin. I'm here to help you build generational wealth. What we saw in Q1 this year was nothing compared to the price action which is coming. I don't know. Not yet. Not China, because they're in a financial crisis. Have you seen their real estate and everything? I showed you that graphic. They're struggling. Sui is the soul of the upcoming cycle. Just look at the charts. Just because something looks similar doesn't mean it's going to play out the same. But I understand what he's saying. I still don't like it. This guy's got some good tweets, man. Forget all the noise, forget what everyone else says. Come closer, listen to me. Meme coins are fine, but don't get overexposed. If that's all you hold, you've got no base. Utility coins solid. Nah, they're not even solid. They're dog, man. But only if they gain real exposure. Without attention, they're just potential with no payoff. Large caps safe, but don't expect massive returns. They're steady, but they won't make you rich. Small caps, high risk, high reward. Most of them won't even move. You'll be left holding bags if you chose the wrong ones. Secret, don't get emotionally attached to any of them. None. This market rewards ones who move with precision, not desperation. That's why I think Omicam is good risk to reward. The guys, if it is who they say it is, he's had a successful meme coin before. He's got the network. He knows what he's doing. That is where you place your bets, and it's not even a bet. You're just expecting and knowing where it's gonna go because it's gonna get the listings. Especially if he knows the people he knows is getting the listings. He's doing the right things. He's building the base. He's not shouting it out. 6 reasons I'm bullish on crypto. Fed rate cuts. September is over. CZ getting released. October is almost to the election. Trump is pro crypto. FTX 16 billion repayments as well in November. November it might be time. I think September, October is iffy. You might see red. 96% of all coins will not survive. I've seen it happen countless times. You should already know that. It's not about poor tech or lack of hype, it's because they don't build real adoption. And here's where most people get it wrong. Getting listed isn't enough. Flashy marketing won't work for long. Adoption takes real strategy and execution, and that's what you need. Here's what nobody tells you. Every failed attempt to gain traction costs money, time, and investor trust. Projects start to dump out after just one misstep. They lose credibility, lose momentum, and eventually they fail. That's why most altcoins end up dead after one cycle. Remember this. This is golden information. Now let's switch it. The projects that survive, the ones that actually get it right, those are the ones that have already cracked the hardest code. Brett's already done this, you know. Adoption and growth. When you invest in these, you're not betting on a dream. You're betting on proven strategies. When it's utility season, this is what you need to understand. When you get into a project that's already winning, you're skipping the trial and error. This gives you a blueprint for success. No, don't look at these. Maybe Sol. The real utility coins in a market full of noise and hype. Smart money always follows results. If you're tired of chasing pumps and getting ready to follow me, I'll make sure you. Nah, the guy does not give good coins, man. Sol, for a 4x, you're willing to lose all your money in crypto. You dumb. Nah, man. This is what 1 week of uptrend does. OCT classic pump month, BTC 70k. November Trump wins election, end Democrats, Biden, Harris, Warren, Gensler, war on crypto, BTC 100k, massive ETF inflow, BTC 150k. Crypto people companies return to US, BTC 200k, power law, cruise sell, BTC 150k, Bitcoin legal tender in Bhutan, Argentina, Dubai, BTC 300k. April, BTC 400k, 500k. 600, 1 mil? What? 2027 bear market. He's lost. He's lost the plot. He's well and truly lost his mind. Dubois. Daniel. Flipping. Stop typing a caps, man. Forget it. His head into. He's tapped, man. $2. Does it have a hat? Look at all these hat memes, man. Hats on everything. Yeah, what's happened, man? Everyone's promoting Dogwifhat. That's mental. Dogwifhat, Larry thinks. No way. Donald Trump. That's crazy, man. Look at the promotion, man. Hats everywhere. It's gonna fly, it's gonna fly. That's mental, man. That's crazy, bro. Goosebumps. Myro. Yeah, Myro's actually bottomed out, you know. That's actually the only chart you need. All the TA to make it is there. You just need to buy the good boy and hold it for a few months. Don't fade the good boy. $3 is a Ford Binance listing soon. Yeah, the strength is weak as well. Average historical performance is Q4 is 88%. That's a good return, man. 120k at the end of this year. Imagine BTC at 120k. Do you know what meme coins would do? Oh, that's bad, man. Imagine when Coinbase lists Brett. This guy's flipping posting every day, asking Coinbase when Brett is getting listed. Nah, now's not the time. They got it all planned, man. My ticket to escape the Matrix. Ryujin and Omikami, man. Fact. Looks like altcoins have something big planned for us. History doesn't repeat itself, but it often rhymes. This whole altcoin cycle is much bigger than the last one. Yeah, it's going to be bigger, but the dips are going to be nastier, scarier. Oh, okay, he's giving us touch points. So what, we got one more touch point. He's saying it's starting now. I think this is just a beginning and a lot more is coming. At least hopefully needs strong fiscal. Some rate could stimulate over a leveraged economy with non-existent consumer demand. What is he looking at here? Nominal GDP M1 yuan 6 months forward. Saying GDP is gonna go down. Yeah, Myro, OP, Solana, meme coin, WIF becomes the biggest 24-hour gainer among the top 100 tokens by market cap. Yeah, it's been shilled by everyone, even Iggy Azalea, man. Dog with volume. Look at that volume. Almost getting to Brett level. Brett is the best ETH beta bet as it has a monopoly of spare liquidity on base. People are Brett to $5. It is going to get there. Sui with the most beautiful chart. Whiff. Look at that whiff chart. That's beautiful, man. Look at all that consolidation. Still no Bitcoin break. That's facts. Yo, this was jokes. XRP holders, bro. Get rid of them. They deserve to be broke. Get them gone. Better continue to as the number one meme on base chain. When the market starts to run, you're going to wish you had these prices, the Shiba Inu of this cycle. Imagine if that goes down to 500 mil market cap, though. Might have to buy again. Gold is living in the future now. If degens can stop getting over leveraged on perps, you can let this thing play out as facts. Altcoin season is imminent. Imagine that, the rip on that. He still thinks it's going to go down though. Bullish quarter four returns in green September years. Pumping on New York Open continues to be one of the most bearish signals in crypto. I can't speak nowadays, man. China Central Bank announced its most aggressive stimulus since the pandemic. They're printing 140 billion of liquidity. Transaction in September, second in transaction volume, Sui after Solana. Solana's going crazy. Tron, yeah, Tron's third. You're about to go from pre-rich to rich. Remember that. FTX will begin distributing 16 billion to its creditors. Most of the liquidity will come back in Bitcoin and altcoins. 16 billion. With I've sold, so I want to buy lower multis and pause, so I need price to go up. That's facts. Right, that is all done, man. Caught up. I know yesterday I didn't post. That's probably why we're a bit behind, but got it all out there. I think a longer video. Why is it not showing me more posts, man? It's important to note something here at this moment. Today was the 7th day from the high, a likely peak of prices. What are you talking about, G? Wednesday is the devil. Wednesday is exceptional important day. If we decline hard, expect lower prices until around October 3rd. Wednesday. We're on Wednesday. Damn, wouldn't it be crazy if the entire timeline got bullish at resistance yet again? Always, man. Same thing. That's why I think it's going lower. Right, let's check. Altcoin season index, what are we saying? Are we correcting or what? Yeah. Yeah. It's coming back down, man. Now is not the time. Fake out. Fear and greed. We're in greed. We are in greed. You know what's happening yet, right? You know what's happening. We're correcting, G. Too much green. Way too much green. Way too much damn green. Check my portfolio out. What's going on here? 2.8, 5.9, 11.6. Ethereum's return. Pepe 18.4. Meme season 41%. 34%. You're gonna see some blood in the streets. 21%. Toshi 51. 71. 64. 105. 65. You're forgetting the correction you've had though. This is the issue. There's been some nasty corrections, man. AI coins are trending. You know when turd like that is trending, that's how you know we're going down. That is how you know we're going down. Right, liquidation heat map. Right, let's check this. I think I use CoinGlass, don't I? Do I use CoinGlass? Yeah, I do. Check on the 1 day. That's looking like it's going to go up. That's sort of looking going down. 30 days defo going down. Yeah, we're going down, boys. Catch you on the other side. But I still think 28.59. I still think Omikami, man. I might have to put a little bit in because I don't want to miss these prices. Even though I know it could go down to 10 mil, so I could lose 2/3. I don't know if it's worthy of a buy, you know. It might be time.